When combined, castor oil and baking soda create a paste-like consistency that can be applied to specific areas of the body. The castor oil works to soften the skin and draw out impurities from deeper layers, while the baking soda assists by exfoliating and helping neutralize surface bacteria and toxins. This duo can be particularly effective when used on areas prone to congestion or inflammation, such as the abdomen, joints, or blemish-prone areas of the face and back. One of the most popular applications of this mixture is as a compress. A small amount of the mixture is applied to the skin, often on the liver area or over sore muscles, and then covered with a cloth and heat pad. The warmth helps increase blood flow and encourages the absorption of the castor oil's beneficial compounds. Some people report feeling lighter, less bloated, and more energized after regular use. Others notice improvements in skin clarity and reduced discomfort in problem areas. While scientific studies specifically on this mixture are limited, anecdotal evidence and traditional practices suggest that it may play a helpful role in supporting the body's natural detox processes. It's not a cure-all, but rather a gentle, complementary method that may enhance other healthy habits such as proper hydration, nutritious eating, and regular exercise. As with any natural remedy, it's important to use this combination wisely. Always do a patch test before applying the mixture to a larger area, especially if you have sensitive skin. The skin can react differently depending on a person's overall health and unique sensitivities. It's also recommended to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any existing skin conditions or medical concerns. In conclusion, mixing castor oil with baking soda offers a simple yet potentially powerful way to assist the body in detoxification. It combines the deep, penetrating, anti-symmetry qualities of castor oil with the cleansing and pH balancing properties of baking soda. While not a substitute for medical treatments or professional advice, this natural remedy is a fascinating example of how basic ingredients can work together to support well-being from the outside in. The skin is the body's largest organ and acts as a protective barrier, constantly exposed to environmental pollutants, bacteria, and daily wear and tear. Taking care of it is essential not only for appearance but also for overall health. When it comes to natural skin remedies, the combination of castor oil and baking soda has been used by many as a way to restore and rejuvenate the skin. These two common household ingredients come together to create a simple yet effective treatment that may offer numerous skin benefits, especially when applied consistently over time. Castor oil is known for its thick, rich texture and is often used to moisturize dry or irritated skin. Its main active compound, ricinoleic acid, has antimicrobial and anti-mold inflammatory properties, making it useful for conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It penetrates deeply into the skin layers, delivering nutrients while also softening tough, dry patches. This deep penetrating ability helps nourish the skin from within, encouraging regeneration and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. People with sensitive or dry skin often find that castor oil creates a soothing protective barrier, locking in moisture without clogging pores. Baking soda, on the other hand, has long been used as a gentle exfoliant. Its fine texture makes it suitable for removing dead skin cells, which can build up and lead to clogged pores, dullness, and rough texture. It also helps to balance the skin's pH levels, which is especially useful for those with oily or acne-prone skin. When the pH of the skin is balanced, it becomes more resilient and less likely to experience breakouts or irritation. Baking soda also has mild antibacterial properties, which can help reduce the presence of acne-causing bacteria on the skin's surface. When these two ingredients are combined into a paste, they create a powerful multi-action skincare treatment. The castor oil moisturizes and calms the skin, while the baking soda exfoliates and purifies. This combo can be particularly effective for targeting acne. The mixture may help to reduce inflammation, draw out impurities from deep within the pores, and clear away excess oil and bacteria. Used as a spot treatment, it can help shrink pimples and speed up the healing process. Applied as a mask to larger areas, it may gradually improve the overall clarity and texture of the skin. Another common use for this mixture is to fade blemishes, scars, and age spots. Castor oil is believed to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, which can help repair damaged skin and even out discoloration. Meanwhile, baking soda helps lighten dark spots through its mild bleaching effect and by sloughing off layers of pigmented dead skin cells. This dual action effect makes the mixture a popular option for those looking to reduce the appearance of old scars or uneven skin tone. Despite its benefits, it's important to approach this remedy with care. Baking soda can be abrasive if used too frequently or in large amounts, and some people may find it irritating, especially if they have sensitive skin. It's always a good idea to do a patch test first and to use the mixture no more than 2 to 3 times per week depending on your skin type. For best results, apply the mixture to clean skin, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and moisturize afterward. Incorporating castor oil and baking soda into a skincare routine can offer natural and affordable support for common skin issues. Whether you're looking to treat acne, smooth rough patches, fade blemishes, or simply give your skin a healthy glow, this simple mixture has the potential to help. When used mindfully and in moderation, it can be a valuable addition to your natural skincare toolkit. Pain is a common part of life, whether it's from sore muscles, joint stiffness, inflammation, or minor injuries. Many people seek natural ways to ease discomfort without relying too heavily on medications. One of the lesser-known but increasingly popular remedies involves the combination of castor oil and baking soda. This simple mixture, when applied topically, has been used by some to support pain relief and reduce inflammation in a gentle and non-invasive way. While not a substitute for medical treatment, it may offer a complementary option for those looking to manage mild to moderate pain naturally. Castor oil, extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communes plant, has long been used for its healing properties. One of its most valued components, ricin oleic acid, is a fatty acid with strong anti-stimulant and analgesic effects. When applied to the skin, castor oil penetrates deeply into tissues, helping to improve blood flow and reduce swelling in affected areas. This makes it especially helpful for joint and muscle pain. People suffering from conditions like arthritis, back pain, or post-workout soreness may find relief using castor oil compresses, which are designed to deliver the oil's active compounds directly to the site of discomfort. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, plays a more supportive role in this combination. Though best known for its use in cleaning and deodorizing, it also has mild anti-inflammatory effects and can help create an alkaline environment on the skin surface. This may assist in soothing irritation and improving the absorption of other topical agents, such as castor oil. Additionally, baking soda has a slight abrasive quality that can stimulate circulation when massaged into the skin, which may further enhance its pain relieving potential. When mixed into a paste, castor oil and baking soda form a thick, spreadable compound that can be applied directly to sore areas of the body. Common places for application include knees, shoulders, the lower back, and even the temples for tension headaches. To use the mixture for pain relief, a thin layer is typically spread over the skin, then covered with a soft cloth. For added benefit, a heating pad or warm compress is sometimes placed over the area, which helps open pores and encourages the castor oil to penetrate deeper. This heat application not only enhances absorption, but also soothes tense muscles and promotes relaxation. People who have used this remedy often report a noticeable decrease in stiffness and pain after consistent application. For those with arthritis, the mixture may help ease joint discomfort and improve mobility, especially when used as part of a regular routine. Athletes or physically active individuals might also use it to help speed up muscle recovery and minimize soreness after intense workouts. While the effects may vary from person to person, the overall feedback is generally positive among those seeking alternative pain management options. It's important to note that this method is best suited for mild to moderate pain and should not be used on broken or irritated skin. It's always wise to do a patch test before full application, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. The mixture can be used once a day or a few times per week, depending on the severity of discomfort and personal response to the treatment. Ultimately, combining castor oil with baking soda offers a natural, cost-eco-bundle option for supporting pain relief at home. While more scientific research is needed to fully understand how these ingredients work together, their traditional use and the positive experiences shared by many users make them worth considering. Whether used occasionally for acute soreness or regularly for chronic aches, this gentle, holistic approach may help provide comfort and support the body's healing process in a safe and soothing way. Scars and dark spots are common skin concerns that can result from acne, minor injuries, sun exposure, or aging. While there are many commercial products available to address these issues, some individuals turn to natural remedies for gentler, chemical-free options. One such remedy is the combination of castor oil and baking soda. This mixture, when used consistently and correctly, may help improve the appearance of scars and spots over time by promoting skin renewal, hydration, and gentle exfoliation. Castor oil is known for its moisturizing and healing properties. It's rich in ricin oleic acid, which is a unique fatty acid with anti-intimate skin and antimicrobial qualities. When applied to the skin, castor oil penetrates deeply and hydrates the underlying tissues. This deep moisture supports skin regeneration by nourishing skin cells and promoting the production of collagen and elastin, two key proteins involved in keeping skin firm, smooth, and evenly toned. These qualities make castor oil a helpful ally in the fading of scars, especially newer ones, or those left behind by acne. Over time, it can help soften scar tissue, making it less noticeable and more pliable. Baking soda brings a different but equally useful set of properties to the table. It's mildly abrasive, which allows it to function as a natural exfoliant. Exfoliating the skin is crucial when addressing dark spots and scars, as it helps remove dead skin cells and stimulates the turnover of new healthy skin. This can gradually reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation and scarring by bringing fresh, unblemished skin to the surface. Additionally, baking soda has a natural lightening effect, which may help to even out skin tone when used carefully and sparingly. When these two ingredients are combined, they create a paste that can be applied to the skin in small, targeted amounts. The castor oil helps carry the baking soda into the pores and deeper layers of the skin, maximizing its exfoliating and brightening effects. The oil also prevents the baking soda from being too drying or irritating, balancing the overall impact of the treatment. This mixture is often used as a spot treatment for acne scars, sunspots, and minor blemishes. Some users also apply it to larger areas of discolored skin to help achieve a more even complexion. To use the remedy, a small amount of baking soda is mixed with enough castor oil to form a thick paste. This is applied directly to the affected area and left on for about 10 to 15 minutes before being rinsed off with warm water. Afterward, it's recommended to apply a gentle moisturizer to soothe the skin and lock in hydration. Depending on skin sensitivity, this can be done a few times a week. Results are typically gradual, with improvements becoming noticeable after several weeks of consistent use. While many people have had success with this natural treatment, it's important to approach it with patience and care. Baking soda can be too harsh for some skin types, especially if used too frequently or in high concentrations. A patch test is always recommended before applying the mixture to larger areas. People with sensitive or dry skin should consider adjusting the ratio to include more castor oil and less baking soda to minimize irritation. Natural remedies like castor oil and baking soda offer a holistic way to support the skin's healing processes. Though results may not be instant, the long-term benefits can be significant with regular use. By promoting cell turnover, deep hydration, and gentle lightening, this combination provides a simple and affordable method for reducing the visibility of scars and dark spots and restoring a more even, radiant complexion. Fungal infections of the skin are common and can range from minor irritations like athlete's foot and ringworm to more persistent issues such as yeast infections and fungal acne. These conditions often thrive in warm, moist environments and can be both uncomfortable and unsightly. While over-the-counter antifungal creams are widely available, natural remedies continue to attract attention for their gentleness and lack of harsh chemicals. And such remedy is the mixture of castor oil and baking soda, which is believed by many to possess antifungal properties that can help treat and prevent a variety of fungal skin infections. Castor oil is the base of this remedy and offers powerful therapeutic benefits. Its main component, ricin oleic acid, has been shown to have strong antimicrobial and antifungal effects. This fatty acid helps to inhibit the growth of several types of fungi, making castor oil an effective agent for addressing fungal overgrowth on the skin. Its thick emollient texture also soothes irritation and forms a protective barrier over the skin, which helps to keep the affected area moisturized while limiting further fungal spread. This barrier also prevents the infection from worsening due to friction, dryness, or exposure to additional bacteria. In addition to ricinoleic acid, castor oil contains other beneficial compounds, including undesalinic acid, which is especially effective against fungal infections like ringworm and athlete's foot. Undesalinic acid is a well-known antifungal agent that disrupts the integrity of fungal cell membranes, weakening the fungus and eventually killing it. Because of this, castor oil is not only soothing to irritated skin, but may also directly combat the organisms causing the infection. Baking soda contributes to the antifungal action of this mixture by altering the pH environment on the skin. Fungi tend to thrive in slightly acidic conditions, and baking soda's alkalinity helps neutralize these environments, making them less hospitable for fungal growth. This shift in pH can help suppress fungal activity on the surface of the skin and reduce the likelihood of recurring infections. Baking soda also has mild drying properties, which can be useful when treating infections in moist areas of the body where fungi tend to proliferate. When combined, castor oil and baking soda create a potent mixture that can be applied directly to the affected area. The castor oil softens and penetrates the skin, delivering its antifungal compounds where they are most needed, while the baking soda works on the surface to dry out the infection and shift the skin's pH. Together, they offer a dual-action remedy that targets fungal infections from different angles, potentially speeding up healing and preventing further spread. To use this mixture, a paste can be made by mixing baking soda with enough castor oil to form a thick, smooth consistency. This should be applied to clean, dry skin on the infected area and left on for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with warm water. Depending on the severity of the infection, this process can be repeated once or twice daily. After rinsing, the skin should be dried completely, and breathable clothing should be worn to minimize moisture buildup. As with any home remedy, consistency is key. Fungal infections can take time to fully clear, even with natural treatments. While many users report positive results, it is essential to monitor the skin's response. If irritation, increased redness, or discomfort occurs, the treatment should be discontinued and a healthcare provider should be consulted. Also, for more serious or persistent infections, professional medical treatment may be necessary. Overall, the combination of castor oil and baking soda offers a natural, affordable, and accessible method for addressing fungal skin issues. With regular use and proper hygiene, it can serve as a helpful addition to a skincare routine focused on preventing and treating fungal infections while also nourishing and protecting the skin in the process. While the mixture of castor oil and baking soda has gained popularity for its natural healing properties, it's important to approach its use with care and awareness. Like any remedy, natural or otherwise, understanding how to use it properly is crucial to avoiding unwanted side effects or irritation. This combination may offer benefits for detoxification, pain relief, skin improvement, and antifungal support, but it is not universally suitable for everyone or for every condition. Taking a few precautions can help ensure safe and effective use. Castor oil, though widely used in skincare and traditional medicine, is a potent substance. It is thick, deeply penetrating, and capable of delivering bioactive compounds into the skin. While this is often what makes it effective, it can also cause reactions in sensitive individuals. Some people may experience allergic responses, including redness, itching, or swelling after applying castor oil, particularly if they have never used it before. To avoid this, it's best to conduct a patch test before applying the oil or the mixture with baking soda to larger areas. Apply a small amount to the inner forearm, wait 24 hours, and observe for any signs of irritation or sensitivity. Baking soda presents a different kind of concern. It is alkaline, and while its ability to neutralize acids and exfoliate makes it useful in skin care, it can disrupt the skin's natural pH balance when used too frequently or in high concentrations. The skin naturally maintains a slightly acidic environment, which helps protect against bacteria and maintain healthy moisture levels. Using baking soda too often can lead to dryness, irritation, and even increased sensitivity to environmental factors. People with dry, sensitive, or damaged skin should be especially cautious when using baking soda topically. It's also not advisable to use this mixture on open wounds, cracked skin, or active infections unless guided by a healthcare professional. Another important factor to consider is the frequency and duration of use. The castor oil and baking soda mixture is not intended for daily application over long periods unless specifically tolerated by the skin. For most users, applying the mixture 2 to 3 times per week is sufficient. Overuse can lead to cumulative irritation, especially due to the exfoliating action of baking soda. It's essentially to listen to your skin. If you notice increased redness, flakiness, or discomfort, it may be a sign to cut back or stop altogether. It's also crucial to avoid applying this mixture near sensitive areas, such as the eyes, lips, or mucous membranes. The abrasive nature of baking soda can be too harsh for delicate skin and may cause stinging or burning. When using the paste for facial treatments, it's a good idea to avoid the eye area entirely and rinse thoroughly after each use. Additionally, while castor oil is safe for many people, ingesting it or using it in high doses internally should only be done under medical supervision due to its strong laxative effects. Storage and cleanliness are also part of safe usage. The mixture should be prepared fresh each time and applied with clean hands or tools to prevent contamination. Any leftover paste should not be stored for future use as it lacks preservatives and may develop bacteria or mold. If applying the mixture with a compress or cloth, ensure that all materials used are clean and dry before and after treatment. Lastly, while many people turn to natural remedies for their minimal chemical content, it's important to remember that natural does not always mean risk-free. If you are pregnant, nursing, or managing a chronic skin condition, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider or dermatologist before starting any new topical treatment, even one that uses common household ingredients like castor oil and baking soda. Being informed and mindful of these usage guidelines can help you experience the benefits of this remedy while minimizing potential downsides. With the right approach, this simple mixture can be a helpful part of a holistic, skin-friendly routine.